The sheer endlessness pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 5.93%, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The cost of a sheer vastness especially rose by 1.8% in the past 24 hours in an unpretentious way. As far as Axie's support floor, it in a real sense is currently $10.21 in a really significant manner. Axie generally has its especially next obstruction at $11.87 in a quite enormous manner. 16 November 2023, in this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through a shell limitlessness cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these oftentimes truly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is extremely transient cost expectation for a sheer endlessness, for the most part is Axie's a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. A sheer vastness support and opposition levels and so forth in a very huge manner. Yet, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, really let us basically discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, which especially is genuinely critical. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,428,308,418,905 in an unobtrusive manner. The very all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $71,489,707,597, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, which generally is genuinely huge. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 0.03 and presently exchanging at 64 cents, which essentially is very critical. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.93 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem in an exceptionally significant way. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a descending course for extremely transient in a very significant manner. As of now, a sort of broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, pretty further appearance how moreover, Solana came to $63.93 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem, which by and large is genuinely critical. A sheer vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. For the most part further appearance, how market examination over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,428,308,418,905, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become commonly more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a kind of huge manner. Similarly, obstruction most certainly is a level at which dealers by and large become move truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which is genuinely critical. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of a sheer vastness, Axie, a sheer endlessness execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day outline of a sheer boundlessness really shows that the Axie cost especially has fundamentally flooded up with a 1.8% increment in every practical sense, recent hours, so similarly. Opposition basically is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become move extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which all things considered is very critical. The value worth of the Axie limitlessness Axie coin explicitly is remaining at $6.45, with market capitalization $917,707,313 United States dollars, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie's cost changes 5.93% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $82,069,129 United States dollars amazingly. Axie Vastness Value Examination Axie's cost examination for 16 November 2023, inside an essentially everyday time period, most certainly made sense of underneath, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56. Following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Axie boundlessness, which truly shows that the value worth of the Axie endlessness, Axie's coin especially is remaining at $6.45, with market capitalization $917,707,313 United States dollars. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time period in an extremely huge manner. The Axie endlessness truly has for the most part break all its really upholds levels, and things basically are not looking great for the crypto market, which essentially is genuinely huge. As of now, really bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie's cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21, which sort of is very critical. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid in an unpretentious manner. Axie boundlessness financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, which shows that Axie limitlessness support and opposition levels and so on, or so they in a real sense thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and for the most part is attempting to explicitly break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, so right now, a really genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, fundamentally further appearance how moreover. Solana came to $63.93 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem in a kind of significant way. While Axie's Williams %R marker truly is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange certainly signal generally is truly conceivable at this reach. Showing how the value worth of the Axie boundlessness, Axie's coin especially is remaining at $6.45, with market capitalization $917,707,313 United States dollars, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time period, or so they generally thought. Axie boundlessness market gives a bullish indications